Hello lovelies, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Style by EJ, and today's video, is a Shapellx haul for you guys. Okay, I have worked with this brand several times and they reached out to me again. They sent in some items which I'm here to show you guys. The brand once again is Shapellx. Okay, again, I'm going to be leaving my coupon code as I go along in this video. Don't forget to use the code so you can get some money off. All right. And if you've not already subscribed, please do well and subscribe, like, share, and of course, comment on this video and do all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's head right on to the video. All right, so this item was sent in a standard bag. You all know the standard bag that Shapellx uses. Again, really nice. Pretty much standard, there's nothing different. Okay, I've said this over and over in all of my videos. So I'll be running through these items in no particular order. So let's start with the first one. So the first one, right off the bag, we have, let's see. Oh yeah, so we have this bodysuit right here. So this bodysuit details an asymmetric design. It's black. It details an asymmetric design here and a little cutout at the side right here, as you can see. This suit has a tongue style details at the bottom, and it has this hook, this clasp here, okay, for further safety, and it has two adjustment rows here, so depends on your comfort level. You just go ahead and adjust it as you desire. And also it has some padding on the bust area, so you really do not need to wear a bra inside of this. Again, that's the comfort. I love the fact that I don't have to wear a bra and I'm well safe and secured in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this has a lot of stretch. As you can see, it has a lot of stretch in this, and this was sent to me in a size medium large. Again, I've lost a little bit of weight, so I had asked for them to send me a medium. So this comes in a medium large, which is perfect. And on the label here, it says this was made out of recycled fabric, which is pretty good. Okay. The good thing is with this is it's actually removable. You can actually take out the pad, the breast part here if you want to, but I'll be leaving mine. Okay, I'll be leaving mine because I don't intend to wear a bra in it. So if you want to wear a bra and you don't want any double layer, so you can take up the padding in it and just wear your bra inside and wear this, which is pretty nice. Again, don't forget to use my discount code for this particular item. So the next item I have is also a bodysuit top. But the difference with this is a long sleeve top. I'm in love with this color. This color is so nice for fall. Like you already know, the burgundies, the greens, the deep blues are in for fall. So yeah, I'm really excited about this color. It has a rib material, and again, it has a lot of stretch. And this was sent to me, I think also in a medium, because pretty much that's what I requested for. And it also has a tongue style. The tongue style bodysuit here, pretty much standard. It has a clasp for you to make adjustments. Okay, if you look in front here, you can see that it has an overlapping v-neck that gives the right amount of cleavage showing. Very nice. It conforms to your body shape, again, because of the kind of material that was used for it. Okay, it's pretty stretchy. Love this. It's long sleeve. There's really not much to say about this. It's a very nice suit top that you can wear by itself. You can wear it inside of a blazer, inside of a coat, in a gilet jacket, whatever you want. You can style it as you please. What the price is on the screen, and of course the direct links for you to shop these items in the description box. So don't forget to look in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section. I'm more than happy to respond to all of your questions. This is a beautiful shapewear. Shapewear is calling this the Inner Armor Body Sculpting Bodysuit. I'll tell you why. Okay, the features are endless. To flatter your hourglass figure, so if you want to have all that hourglass figure, this is the bodysuit for you to wear. Okay, this is how, looking at it, you can already tell the sculpting effect the bodysuit has. When you wear this, it actually gives you a very comfortable effect because of the steel bone that it has. When the manufacturing process has a steel bone effect inside that actually provides you comfort. Sometimes it's kind of weird when you say comfort and shapewear. Yes, with this brand, again, I've worked with them over and over again, so I can attest to you the comfort because of the sort of materials that they use. Because of the open bust feature here, you can actually choose your bra that you want to wear. You can see here, you can still pretty much wear your bra, okay? Because of the open feature, you can definitely wear your bra. It has a zipper that goes from top to bottom here, just like this, okay? And when you open it up, it has a hook and eye closure, as you can see, for double comfort. And the reason why this zipper is pretty good because it conceals the hook and eye closure. I'm going to open it up for you to see. That's how the hook and eye closure looks like. And of course, it's kind of like a short form, okay? So, and if you look at the bottom here, the way the material was made, okay, this most likely will not be leaving any sort of mark on you. So when you wear your dresses, you will not definitely see, okay, this particular hem peeking through your clothes. And it has a zipper all the way that goes around, as you can see here. So when you want to use the bathroom, once you have this on and you want to use the bathroom when you're outside, it's so easy for you to just undo the zipper and then do your business and off you go. This one was sent in the medium. Perfect for me. It's going to hold me so good and give me the hourglass figure that, of course, I want for all my dresses. It has a tiny bit of stretch to it. It will conform perfectly well to your body size. Again, I'll be leaving the price. Do not forget to use my coupon code, okay, to get some money off this. And then there'll be a direct link in my description for you to click and go shopping, okay? It's the festive season. You want to gift this, you can definitely gift this, okay, out. Is a perfect Christmas gift or the festive gift you can give out to your friends or anybody you want to give this to. Last but not the least is this beautiful bodysuit I have here. It's black. The material has some patterns, as you can see, and it has a deep V right in front, and it has this cutout underneath the bust area, which gives the beautiful silhouette. And you have the strap here, which is pretty much adjustable. It mirrors like a bra strap. Okay, so if you're not wearing a bra, this can actually support your girls very well, okay, by adjusting the strap pretty much. This was sent to me in a medium. This is what I requested. And the back is actually a low cut at the back. As you can see here, it's a low cut. And it has a stong style bodysuit, again with the hook here, with the hook and eye closure here. With this one has 3 different adjustable functions, the hook and eye, so you can adjust it to your level of comfort that you desire. And for the material, okay, it has a tiny bit of stretch as well, so this definitely will conform to your body. I love how this feels on the body. Again, like I mentioned, if you can see, the material has a bit of pattern on it, kind of different from the rest that I showed you. This is the first time I'm actually seeing one of their bodysuits, okay, that has a pattern, and I'm in love with this. This will fit perfectly well when you're wearing like a blazer. This will look so good if you're wearing a blazer. Once again, I have my coupon code. Don't forget to use my coupon code so you can get some money off your purchase, and it's a perfect gift for you to gift out this holiday season, and the shipping doesn't take time at all. I might add that as well. Yes, guys, again, don't forget to leave me any comments in the comment section or follow me on my Instagram and ask any questions you want to ask. I'm more than happy to provide you all the answers that you so desire. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel. And until my next one, remember to stay blessed. And of course, guys, stay stylish. Bye, guys.